Hi, and welcome to the course Refining the Online Learning Experience. My name is Evan Bramer, and I'm the Distance Learning Coordinator for the Lebanon Community School District in Lebanon, Oregon. Before I get into the purpose of this course and how you'll go about accessing the material, I want to paint a picture, and I want you to think about whether or not this applied to you. It's the beginning of the school year. This is your first time, or maybe you taught online in the spring of 2020, but this is your first time really putting thought behind designing an online course. You had to balance learning how to use a new learning management system, Canvas, and figure out how to put your content on there. You did not have all the tools that you needed, for example, every aspect of technology to be successful. As well, you could not easily use all the lessons that you'd used previously in your teaching. You had to be very selective. That is the situation many teachers found themselves in the fall. And what was the result? A common occurrence was that teachers just kind of get whatever teaching they could get online at whatever level they could get as quickly as they can do it. And the result was that there was teaching, there are assignments, and there are tasks for students to do, but they can be better. In our district, one of the things that we've discovered is that students feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of assignments. They feel confused sometimes by not understanding what is being expected of them or how the course is laid out. And on the whole, they desire a better experience. That's the purpose of this course, is to help teachers refine their courses by doing some selective things and kind of just narrowing down how they're teaching online, so that they as teachers can have a better teaching experience and they can give to their students a better online learning experience so that they can achieve the goals they want, which is to learn, to get the grade that they desire, to move up a grade, whatever that is. As you progress through the lessons in this course, you'll discover that they're not necessarily sequential, but they're designed in a way that you can bounce from one to another. They're short and specific. Some of them will apply to you, and some of them won't apply to you. But regardless, one of the things that will help you is if you approach it with an attitude of this could be something I need to do. Nobody likes to be criticized. Nobody likes it when what you have poured your time, heart, and just energy into, somebody comes along and says, well, it could or should be better. But this is the time. This is the time that you take what you've done and you refine it to be something better, something that you look back on and say, I am proud of that work. And so I hope that the material in this course is helpful, and I hope that you're able to interact with it in a way that is easy to do and you find beneficial. Cheers.